Today we're going to Ikea! Yay! Ikea is, if you guys don't know, it's a full shopping experience. You can buy anything from refrigerators to ovens to couches to coffee tables, anything. And they have food. So if you have not been to Ikea, today is going to be a great day for you to see how it's really like inside. It's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. This is one of my favorite places to go to just with my kids, walk around and get some inspiration for my house. So hopefully you guys enjoy. They have a lot of nice play spaces for kids when you come in here. They also have a play area where you can drop off your kids and they watch them while you shop. I think that's really cool for mommies on the go like me. So I always go to the clearance section first. It's like you have to go to the clearance section first. They have so many good things here. And you never want to buy something at full price if you can get it on sale. Ikea is so big, you really have to go through it so many different ways. But to get to the food court, we're going basically the opposite way of the entrance. Gotta make sure he doesn't leave me. He's a little sneaky one. He likes to explore Ikea. Also, one of my favorite sections are the plants. There's so many different real plants, fake plants. For anything that you're looking for, they have it pretty much. Today is extremely busy in here and I don't like it. Not at all. Well, it's not bad, it's just, it's too hectic, especially for these carts that like to swerve and slide and glide across the floor. You can never get them to go straight. I have to push with two hands and my arms and my back. Say hi, guys. Today's a vlog day. I need y'all to start giving me some viewers. You say hi to your cousin? Say hi. Say hi. Oh yeah, not to get too sick. Say hi.
Hey, there you go.
The cafeteria is so bright and open and it just makes you want to sit down and enjoy your food. Come on. Come on. Come on, little nuggets. Hold my hand, Oakley. Thank you. Okay, let's go get some food real quick. Let's go get some food really quick. Can you hold mommy's hand? Yeah, let's get some food really quickly.
I like this.
She loves seeing her Ooh. Her head. Whoa. This color is cute. This is cute. You look so cozy in there. Yeah. So cozy. So cozy. They have so many different types of toys in Ikea, which I was really surprised about. They have play food and play kitchens. And these toys usually last a long time. My kids love this wooden train set. See, they do a really great job decorating and staging these rooms because this is not a lot of space at all, but they really put a lot of decorations and a great way to like separate the space. This is really nice. They have a little closet system that separates the space, so it's useful and it's functional. That is a very cute little studio apartment, like if you're first starting out. Coming to this part inspires me to do the tiny living because you can get a real idea of what the organized spaces look like in a compact space. So it's a little inspirational. What you can do in a confined space. Hey, Ali, wanna say hi? This is a lot of kitchen appliances. A few like decorative kitchens here. Have you guys ever seen a all black kitchen? Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is very sleek, but I would feel a little claustrophobic in something this dark. I don't know, you let me know, would you feel the same? This is giving me studio apartment, maybe in a big city somewhere, and we're going to college. Yes, yes. This one is really big as well. Super nice, and they have a little snowy window. They're fancy. What are we gonna have for dinner, guys? Would you like something to drink, my good man? Here you go. Yummy. Yummy. Can I have some? Thank you. That was quite nice. No. He's just being so good and chill in this car seat. Oh, I don't want to hit you. I'm just being so good today. Okay, so you want some paint too? Let me see what kind of paint this is. And let's see what age it's for. So this says for age 3 and older. You can do this paint. 3 paint. So I like to get these markers here because these are honestly the best color variations that I've seen for markers. And they're only $3.99 for, how many come in this pack? 24? Yep, 24 pack. And then they also have a 12 pack for $2.99. To me, that's cheaper than the Crayola brand that I get from other stores. They also have chalk and white erase markers. So Ali took it upon himself to open some oh, okay. I see. I was like, what's going on? That was a successful day at Ikea. Now we are heading home after a very long but fun day at Ikea. I caught this amazing sunset on the way home. I haven't seen a sunset like this all year. What a perfect way to end my day. Thank you guys for joining today.